Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I made this popular street food in Ghana known as Kelewele. You can have this as a whole meal and you can also have it as dessert or snack. I don't really know about you, but whenever I'm eating Kelewele, I just don't want it to finish. I love Kelewele so much. Stay tuned and let's move right into the video. So for the ingredients, I have whole cloves or pepper, calabash nutmeg or wediaba, grains of Selim or huentia, and black pepper. I also have ginger and one medium-sized onion. I'll also be using powdered chili pepper. You can use Scotch bonnet or any that is available to you. And I'll also be using 4 overripe or ripe plantain. Yes, so if you have any ripe plantain in your kitchen, please don't throw it away. You can make good use of it. At this point, I'll go ahead and crush all the spice in an earthenware bowl with the help of a wood masher or tapoli in our local language. Now I've washed my ripe plantain thoroughly because sometimes it's sticky on the outside and we really don't want that. So with the tip of my knife, I'm just going to cut through the plantain and peel off the outer layer. So now I'll go ahead and cut my plantain into 2 and then I'll cut the halves also into 2 and cut it diagonally, which is totally optional. You can start cutting it diagonally right after you divide it into 2. So this is the shape we'll get after cutting it diagonally. I'll go ahead and add the plantain to a bowl and pour some of my blended mixture to it. I'll mix it very well. And then I'll add salt to taste. I've preheated my oil, so now I'll go ahead and add the coated plantain to it. I'll be frying this on medium heat because we don't want it to burn quickly, neither do we want it to absorb a lot of oil. So we'll fry this for about 15 to 20 minutes until it browns a little. Now this is the color we are going for, and our kelewele is ready. It's mostly served with peanuts and it's very, very delicious. You should try this at home.